Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. A very good morning to everybody. It's a Sunday and I have a show to MC. I have to go all the way to Santa Cruz, that's Wellington Gymkhana. Baby, what are you planning to do the entire day when I'm not there?
2-3 दिवसापासून कंटिन्युअसली खूप साफसफाई केली आहे. सो आज जी थोडीशी उरलेली आहे ती मी करीन, सामान लावीन आणि मज्जा करीन. इट्स अ हॉलिडे टुडे.
Yeah. I have to travel from here to Wellington Gymkhana. It's again 2 hours. I told you na Charlie will go and clean the pit. वही कर रहा है वो. So what happens here is Coco is a weak cat. Special cat is what we call it. And whenever it does its potty in the pit, sometimes he doesn't put the mud and clean it. But
Charlie goes.
Charlie being the elder brother, he goes and he takes the responsibility and he goes and he cleans the pit for Coco. So I was telling Pooja ki see he's going to do it in some time, and that is what he did. So baby, your dialogue, they were like you to say it, not me.
चला आता पाहू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो. इथे बनतोय बेबीसाठी नाश्ता. अजून चमचे पण थर्ड भेटले नाहीत, सो जो चमचा भेटला तोच यूज करते मी. आणि इथे प्रॉब्लेम असा झाला आहे, सांगते हा 2 मिनटं. प्रॉब्लेम असा झाला आहे की आमचा हा पाईप गॅसचा ह्याला जे ह्याचे गॅसचे आहेत ते पाईप गॅसचे आहेत, पण आम्ही इथे सिलेंडर वापरतो आहे फॉर द टाईम बिंग, बिकॉज इकडे अजून मीटर इन्स्टॉल नाही केलं आहे. सो द बर्नर्स आर टू फास्ट. त्यामुळे जे पण मी बनवते ते थोडं थोडं जळतच आहे. अंड पण थोडं थोडं जळालं बिकॉज ऑफ द बर्नर.
That's fine.
So today I've called him and he should hopefully change the screws and nipples for that. Yes. So breakfast is ready.
Thank you
But thank you.
for waking up in the morning for me usually. And today is a Sunday, no? You also need rest, not
Coco's come to eat egg.
One fatka I'll get.
Coco later I'll give you. Now let Dada eat. So baby, where is your show today?
Told them it's in Wellington Gymkhana, Santa Cruz.
Okay. I have to just set all these things and we have to clean this balcony.
After this, you will come. I'll help you now.
Yeah.
Rest for some time. Rest till I come. Oh man.
Now you're telling me you found one more box of utensils.
Yeah.
So many utensils, what to do?
Give it away.
इतना यूटेंसिल्स आया कहाँ से, मेरे को तो वही नहीं पता.
Cool.
Hot?
So, whenever there's this air that goes in the ear, you feel it's like ऐसा हुआ था.
It's very cold actually. रात को for the मतलब मैंने I have seen baby always used to so much of AC, but for the first time फैन भी स्लो कर दिया. इट्स वेरी कोल्ड.
Very cold.
गुड.
Kaka, be careful. Anything else I need to get?
You took your props and all?
Yes, all taken.
How's the tickets?
Whatever I have. अभी तो टोल्स फ्री है.
Yeah, so good ना.
वो निकालना पड़ेगा.
फास्टैग ना.
बस स्कैन करेगा.
कवरिंग फास्टैग इज अ टास्क. रिमेंबर ना, हम लोग गाँव जा रहे थे तो कितना. एंड इट्स रेनिंग ऑल्सो.
So it's good, no? See?
Yeah. Where's your bag, phone and all?
Bag and all is everything in the bag. I knew not today. Yesterday also I had a function, so.
You're dirtying the floor.
ठीक है, चल बाय
बाय, टेक केअर.
चल बाय.
बाय बेबी,
लव यू.
लव यू. बाबू पण, रिदू पण अजून झोपला आहे. मी पण आता एक थोडीशी स्वीटसी नॅप घेते आणि तुम्हाला पुढे भेटते.
I wanted to wash the car, so we haven't found anybody as yet to wash the car, so I'm doing it from some there are these places where they have dedicated zones to wash cars, so I've got it there. I'll show it to you. So you have the dedicated spot. Many of them are there, of course, but I chose this place only because it has good flooring. They have put paver blocks. Other places are all mud. Everything is getting cleaned. I like the pressure pipe though. He first said 200 rupees. I got down the rate to 80 rupees. So I just got done. Just got done with the washing of the car, and now he's just wiping it. Did a good job. So he first quoted 200 rupees. I got it down to 80. I mean, I just become wearing good clothes and everything. These people charge more than the normal. I feel 80 also is more, but then ठीक है छोड़ ना. He did a good job, so I'm happy about that. So now I am off to my venue.
2 दिवसापासून आमचे टॉवेल्स नाही धुतलेत बिकॉज मशीनचं कनेक्शन नव्हतं आणि झाल्यापासून बाकीचे कपडे लावण्यातच होतं. सो सगळ्यात आधी आपण मशीनचे हे टॉवेल्स धुवून घेऊया. चार्ली ही का जागा आहे का रे बसायची? हा, ही जागा आहे बसायची. चल उतर खाली, उतरा खाली उतरा. हा जम्प. So I'm making some cold coffee for myself. मला ना पूर्ण पॅकिंगमध्ये आतापर्यंत फक्त 2 चमचे भेटलेत. एक तेलात गेलाय आणि आज मी ती चमच्यांची बॅग काढीन. मला ॲक्च्युली माहितीच नाही चमचे कशात आहेत. बघूया. चार्लू खाली उतर. मस्त वरती ह्यांना ना अंड्याचा स्मेल आलाय. सो नाव अंड खाल्ल्याशिवाय काय गप्पा नाही बसणार. खाली उतरा. खाली 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 खाली. अजिबात वरती चढायचं नाही हा दोघांनीही. चार्ली कोको. सुकून सुकून. मॉर्निंग पिल्लू. गुड मॉर्निंग. उठलं म्हणजे सोनू. अरे पापीच नाही भेटली तुला. मम्माचा चष्मा कुठे गेला. Did you have a good sleep? Come. Good morning, Pillu. Good morning. Say good morning to everyone. Good morning. नाश्ता करतो. What is there for breakfast? तुम्हाला काल रात्री बोलला ना तुला सनी साइड अप पाहिजे. मग तेच आहे. बरं जा ब्रश कर. मी पटकन नाश्ता बनवते तुझ्यासाठी. आता बनवू की थोड्या वेळाने. नाव भूक लागली माझ्या बाबूला. जा मी बनवते. Black pepper?
Yes, little bit. Little bit, I can understand. Little, stop.
And salt?
Just one more teaspoon and then something.
Go get milk. taste and see.
Yummy.
Go and get your breakfast now. Sidhu, happy?
Yes.
Enjoying?
Yes.
Enjoy. How is the omelette? Wait. Acha, you want to taste first? Okay. Let me know, okay? Shall you watch Tom and Jerry? Okay? I'll see you in a while. How is it now?
Amazing.
Oh.
Look who I met, Faye. I met your dad. He also watches our vlogs forcefully because of Faye, I guess, right? Because of Faye. Because of Faye. So I've reached Wellington and I met him on, at the entrance only. It's so nice. Last I met him was when he played cricket. And that was fun time. When are we playing cricket again?
That was May, somewhere in May.
Somewhere in the month of May, yes. When are we playing again now?
Let's
We'll
see.
ask the boys.
And
We'll ask the
Swim is
boys.
coordinating.
Amboli boys, let's coordinate and play again. Look at the decor. And I met Nelson. Hi Nelson, how are you?
I'm good.
All set?
All set.
All set. And of course, our DJ for today. How are you, Baba? All good? After 1 month, we are meeting. That's the birthday boy. He's busy. It's okay. It's okay. 2 o'clock. 2 p.m. This is how the decor is. He's still fixing it up. And this is the venue for today. Wellington Gymkhana. They've made it amazingly well.
जस्ट ॲमेझॉनवरनं मी बल्ब मागवलेला स्मार्ट बल्ब सो नाव आय एम गोइंग टू टेस्ट दिस आय यू एक्सायटेड
Yes.
जस्ट आमचं पार्सल आलं आहे चल आपण लावून बघूया वाईट बल्ब आहे आता आपण लावून बघूया
Alright, let's see.
बटन असणार नव्हती कोणतं लागतं ह्या साईडला नाही आहे नो आय थिंक इट्स दिस साईड वेट लेट्स सी हां दिस वी हॅव टू डाउनलोड दिस ॲप बेबी सो आम्ही बल्ब लावला बट वॉट इज मिसिंग हृदय
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connection is missing. We have called, no, we have scheduled an appointment Jio बरोबर. So once they come आणि Wi-Fi लावणार आपला बल्ब पण सेट होईल है ना
Yes.
सो नाव आय एम मेकिंग सम कॅरमेल कस्टर्ड कारण की हृदय मला खूप दिवसापासून बोलतो आहे आणि सिन्स आम्ही नवीन ठिकाणी शिफ्ट झालो आहे मला ह्या गॅसवरती काहीतरी गोड बनवायचं होतं सो दॅट्स वाय आय एम मेकिंग कॅरमेल कस्टर्ड आज मला बऱ्यापैकी टाईम आहे ही रेसिपी तुम्ही शॉर्ट्समध्ये नक्की चेक करा फायनली कॅरमेल कस्टर्डला मी आता सेट व्हायला ठेवते फ्रीजमध्ये सो द फायनल lot for caramel custard goes in now. तो बाबू किती bowls ठेवले happy
Yes.
you can eat for 2 days
Just got done with the show. Now I'm on my way back home. So I couldn't get any parking at Wellington. That is the only problem that I have at that venue. So I had to park, 5 minutes away from the venue. Whatever I ate has been digested. She tired, walked for 5 minutes. Wellington Gymkhana, you have to do something with your parking. You're having so many venues, you're having amazing lawns, and the only issue that I have with Wellington Gymkhana is there is no parking. You need to do something. In case you're not having the lawns used, please make sure you give space for parking, because you're expecting your guests to park and then come in, and then it's very difficult to get parking here. Now look at me, 5 minutes I had to walk. When I reached also in the morning, I roamed for 20 minutes and then I got a parking spot. And the place that I regularly park, unfortunately, the entire parking was filled with taxis and rickshaws. But it's okay, show went good. Now go back home. At home also we have a lot of work to do. Not yet done with the settling, and we haven't settled in properly as yet. बहुत काम बाकी है, furniture आना बाकी है. चलो, let's go home. I'll see you guys at home directly.
सो आता झाली आहे संध्याकाळची वेळ आणि मी आणि हृदय कुठे चाललोय?
For a ride.
फॉर अ राईड. चला, आणि तुझ्यासाठी टूथब्रश पण घ्यायचा आहे ना?
Yes.
ठीक आहे.
Should
चलो.
I mix the teeth?
ओ मिक्स्ड टीथ.
Mixed means like milk tooth and permanent tooth.
अरे वा, माझा डेंटिस्टचा मुलगा. वा. थँक्यू बेबी. Ready?
Yes.
Enjoyed your ride?
Yes.
You're getting scared little?
Yes.
Why?
Because of that speed breaker thing.
Come. Let's go to buy your toothbrush.
Okay.
Speed breaker, why were you getting scared?
Because you went there with speed.
With speed I didn't go. Little only. Okay, now let's go inside and take your toothbrush and come out, okay?
Yes.
Happy? You got your favorite toothbrush?
Yes.
Now let's go home. Again you're feeling scared, no?
Just reached home, and not home actually, just reached the building, and baby's like, let's go have some tea. I couldn't get parking in that area where we wanted to eat, so I've come back to the building and I told baby, come here and pick me up on the Activa. I don't know where she is. So there's a place near a building where you go to have, so they're coming there. Look at her, she knows how to ride now. Your hey cannot be heard from there. Your hey cannot be heard from there. Your hey cannot be heard from there, I say. Oh, very good, managing, very nice. Hriday is holding on to you very tight.
Yeah, he scared me.
How are you, Baba?
Good.
What did you do?
How are you? Come to me.
Hello. What did you do?
We went, so we took कितना?
Maybe we will not go there. बहुत गर्दी है, बैठने को जगह नहीं. इधर ही कहते हैं हम लोग को home and have bath.
Where you want to go?
मेरे को ये निकालेगा मीटिंग हेडेक.
तो घर पे जाना है?
नहीं, पहले चाय पीते हैं, उसके बाद जाते हैं ऊपर.
किधर चाय पीना है?
रामदेव.
नहीं है उसके पास चाय.
किसने बोला?
है क्या? चल, आजा बैठ जा. What do you want?
That you want to stop in for tea?
Okay. I was going to take your double seat. Why you wouldn't come?
अरे मेरे को क्या चाहिएगा पीछे. अभी I'm wearing jeans, no tight jeans.
Motu only does not want to sit behind. Come baby, you love pani puri, Hriday? Come.
What are you having? What are you having? You're not going to play? After eating, you're going to play? Okay. How many plates you are having?
Just starting now one.
What, only tikka? You think I'll eat or what?
You want meetha?
No, I don't. I want chai.
You're going to play? Okay, go. Bye.
Take your time, Madam. Don't just go out of the building. Okay, enjoy.
बिल्डिंगच्या बाहेर नको सवय रेदा. Bye. How was your show?
Good, maja hai. We all had a good time.
Finally, I got a mirror.
तेरा हेयर स्प्रे मस्त है रे, वो अभी यूज करेगा. No?
Thank you.
Why thank you. Thank the company that made it.
You need to thank me for buying it, baby.
What is the name of that hairspray?
Professional X.
Professional X. Okay.
मेकअप के बारे में तो तू मेरे को कुछ बोल ही मत. कोको? Oh, you were sleeping? You were sleeping, baby? हाँ. बग आवाज गई. More keen to see कितने pets को हम मिलके आए.
Kaka, my puttu.
I got that bulb,
Okay.
but it needs Wi-Fi connection.
Guddu. Oh, guddu. My puttu. Okay. Just Bhagwan, have a bath first. I remove this hair spray now.
एवढा मोठा चॉक झाला. मी एवढी एक्साइटमेंट मध्ये प्रीतीला घ्यायला गेली की फर्स्ट टाइम मी तुला डबल सीट घेईन आणि आम्ही दोघं पूर्ण
मजा आली.
बट तू बसली तर मला तुझं वेटच नव्हतं वाटत. रिज अजून नाही बसला. सो आफ्टर द टेक्निकली आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू सिट.
But you do very well, so matter not that it first time.
That's it.
Close. I mean, shut that. Cancel. कौन सा?
वो जो वाला बाथरूम के सामने रहता है.
Bathroom. Oh, you got completely wet. Good. He is smart to pick up on things now. Oh.
वो तो full
Free show.
मेरा तो फिर भी इतना
Free show, no. I want to go and get on the actor. जा भी जाए.
अरे सी सैड मेरे को इतना हल्का लग रहा था.
हाँ, I told you ना once you.
समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा. Like yes.
Go. I'll give you clothes. और मेरा कपड़ा.
I need somebody's clothes. I
हाँ.
will give you. Rita, give me your clothes.
They got wet and clean. Coco, what happened? You were getting scared of it, मार
Why we scared, you know, was after giving them a bath we do na.
Baby, your parcel has come.
What was?
तेरा जो ऑर्डर किया था covers and all that's there.
कभी आया?
अभी when you all had gone.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ.
Bedsheet? नहीं, curtains.
वो अल्टीमेटली डालने के बाद वी विल शो राइट इंक्लूडिंग प्राइस एंड ऑल
प्राइस तो व्हाट अमेज़न पे ऐसा
we'll show the
The
link.
curtain is like this. See, wait, मेरे को सामान छुपाने दे. हाँ, देख.
वाह बहुत दिख रहा है मस्त
But it's nice.
I guess Pooja must have already told you that she has made caramel custard, so I'm tasting now.
See, it's ready. Show them the caramel custard.
Nice. Tasty.
Wobbly एकदम.
मस्त है. मस्त है. अभी भी मस्त चाय बना. Chai. You're also waiting for caramel custard, Charlie. You also want caramel custard? Yes.
हे घे. घे पिल्लू. कसं आहे सांग मला. खा. Like this?
Coco also wants.
Coco is nice.
Preeti feed Pooja, no?
Very nice. Coco भी अच्छा.
Let the one who made also should taste, no? How is it?
Good.
How's it, Preeti?
It's very tasty. Did you eat it?
Yeah, I already had. Hriday, how's it?
Good.
Good? Yeah, a lot of work to be done. Look at the balcony.
I just keep it.
And Coco's here. Hi, Coco ji. Hey, Guddu. Or Chinese.
We ordered Chinese today. Who's messaging? Hriday's friends' parents are WhatsApping. I uploaded that caramel custard in my status, no? Yeah. Some manchow soup. You want soup?
No, thanks. Hakka noodles है.
Don't even know where the bowls are. So.
नहीं ठीक है Coco.
चलो. I ordered chicken noodles for you.
Hakka noodles.
But chicken.
What? Why are you telling me chicken? You have to give chicken only for me.
No,
Not
for us
veg.
I ordered veg. We
क्या
like
बात
veg
कर रहे हैं?
Chinese.
हाँ, क्या?
Yeah.
Oh.
But spoons.
Both are here. And Preeti is here as well as Hriday. Hriday is in a sleepy mood. Tomorrow morning school.
थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है.
क्या?
There are no spoons.
मैं तो हाथ से खाते हैं हेलो.
हम लोग सूप हाथ से खाएंगे क्या?
नहीं ऐसे.
हाँ.
ठीक है हृदय.
Hriday will have no give Hriday that and.
स्पून्स का बॉक्स
अच्छा.
अब तक खुला ही नहीं है. हाँ, I'll give you in
हाँ,
this
wait.
big plate.
नहीं छोटा ही चलेगा.
टेक ना.
देख
वो
रही
तो
है.
बोल तो वैसे भी हाथ में आएगा.
So much confusion. You confuse me only when serving.
We all are in the kitchen.
चाली को.
Not a lot. What's in this?
Lollipop. My favorite.
अच्छा वो मसाला वाला.
Hey! You want? Bibu?
Yeah, just one piece would be nice.
Baby does not like these.
But oil fry you cannot get it
That's
ordered.
why
It was too
I-
soggy. Yeah, correct. This
That's
at
why I order
least.
them soggy.
Yeah, you
Baby,
also
baby,
want. You also want.
Baby, take two, na?
हाँ दे.
Take it, Piglu. Nalu, na?
मेरे को भी दे 2-3. Not more. 2-3. Oh, nice. Thank you.
I managed to find a spoon. And this for me.
Come sit and eat. There's no place. Just sitting. Hey, that's Mama's chair. Get up.
Charlu, get up.
Let Mama sit.
Go there, go there.
Short of chairs. Too tired. I had continuous events, traveled a lot and drove a lot. Now I'm exhausted. Now go off to sleep. I'll get up directly at 12 noon tomorrow. Baby will have to get up early. She has work. No?
Work. Say,
Making breakfast for the day.
tiffin banana hriday ka.
Tiffin banana hai. Tomorrow is my rest day because I worked for 2 days continuously. No?
It was a lazy.
Caramel custard was nice. Yeah. Caramel custard was
Yeah.
really good. Very good. Very good. Good.
लेझी डे. किती पाऊस पडत होता. एवढा मोठा चॉप झाला माझा. मैं गई इसको लेने and पूरा भीग के आ गई.
Free show.
But it was nice. First ride as double seat, वो भी बारिश.
बारिश में. Nice.
भी
Good.
हेलमेट खरीदना है मुझे. मुझे पता नहीं किधर मिलता है ये.
There's always a time for everything.
हेलो, सेफ्टी फर्स्ट.
Then you shouldn't have
Please
hotel
tell
now,
him.
na. That time where the safety went. ये दोनों मैं चलाएगी रुका ना मेरे को चलाने देना रुका ना हेलमेट के नहीं चाहिए बिना हेलमेट का चलाएगी ना. Now I want helmet.
One though I want.
हाँ, I'm not saying no. I'm trying to give you at the right time.
But all in all, it was a good day.
Yes.
आज आम्ही काहीच क्लिनिंग नाही केली. We were just
Please.
chilling and resting and enjoying.
Yes.
Because Sunday is fun day for everyone. Other than
Except
baby.
for me, yes,
त्याचे
yeah.
बिचाराचे शोज फक्त weekends ला मोस्टली मी weekends ला असतात. So yeah.
Now they will start talking. I'm going off to sleep. That's how it is when sisters meet. So असा होता आजचा हा दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा,
कमेंट करा,
शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.